Hi children, how are you? Then welcome back to Moral Science class, 6th chapter, Turning Tables. The world is full of different people. How are they different and what do they have in common? We all life different, but on the inside we are the same. We may have different ways, but to respect each other is our aim. People from various regions of the world belong to different races and have different physical appearances. Many people, especially those with darker skin color, are often given unequal treatment by others who think one race is better than another. This is called racial discrimination. Read one such story about a woman who thinks she is better than a dark-skinned co-passenger. Mrs. Parks, a wealthy middle-aged woman, boards an aeroplane. She finds her seat and sits down. Michael, a college student, is seated next to her. Mrs. Parks calls over a cabin to attendant. How can I help you, ma'am? Can't you see? The airlines gave me a seat next to this uncivilized man. I cannot sit here with him. It's disgusting. Find me another seat. The attendant glances at Michael. She looks back at Mrs. Parks and smiles. Please calm down, ma'am. I don't see any reason to refer to him like this. The flight is fully booked, but I can go and check whether we have an empty seat in first class. I will be right back. The attendant enters the cockpit to speak to the captain. She is back soon. Ma'am, the economy class is full. However, we have one seat available in first class. It is unusual to make this kind of an upgrade, so I had to get special permission from the captain. But after hearing the story, the captain agreed with me that it is unacceptable for someone to sit next to such a nasty person. The attendant then turned towards Michael. So, sir, if you would like to collect your belongings, I have your seat in first class ready for you. As Michael follows the attendant, the other passengers clap and cheer for them loudly. Thought for me, there should be no discrimination against languages people speak, skin color, or religion. Malala Yousafzai. People may be different from us, but they are not unequal. We should treat everyone with respect. Every person is entitled to basic rights simply because she or he is a woman. These rights are called human rights. People around the world have been fighting for equality for centuries. Read this extract from famous speeches. First one, Mahatma Gandhi. Quit India speech 1942. In the democracy which I have envisaged, a democracy established by non-violence, there will be equal freedom for all. Everybody will be his own master. Next, Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream speech 1963. I have a dream that my 4 children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Next one, Nelson Mandela. Inaugural speech 1994. After being elected in South Africa's first black president. There shall also be a social order which respects completely the culture, language, and religious rights of all sections of our society and the fundamental rights of the individual. Barack Obama, Presidential Campaign Speech 2008. We may have different stories, but we hold common hopes that we may not look the same and we may not have come from the same place, but we all want to move in the same direction towards a better future. This lesson focuses through this lesson. We can find out some values. Tolerance, living together in harmony, compassion for fellow beings, universal love, respecting others. Read this chapter carefully and do the textual exercises.